best acting is acting that feels like it's happening for the very first time. How do we do that? Sanford Meisner said, every moment has a meaning all its own. So how do we make sure that we communicate the meaning of the moments? By being in them, by living in them, by reacting to them, by letting our instincts and our impulses drive our acting in the moment, moment to moment. You know, Marlon Brando's quality that made him kind of different from everybody else is that even though, I'm talking specifically about A Streetcar Named Desire, even though he knew the camera blocking and he knew the blocking in general, it was never quite the same.
Action.
Huh?
Let me get by you.
You want to get by me? Go ahead.
You stand over there.
You got plenty of room to get by me now.
With you there, I gotta get out. Somehow.
You think I'm going to interfere with you? Hmm? You know, maybe you wouldn't be bad to interfere with.
According to the director Elia Kazan, it was never quite exactly the way the last take went. So no two takes were ever exactly the same. Why? Because no two moments that you and I live in are ever the exact same. Therefore, live in the moment. Don't try to telegraph something of an idea that you came up with the last night before. No. Do all your work, prepare, and then let it go. Be in the moment. Let the actor across from you dictate the change in you. Be a person. Be alive in the moment. And that will make it really feel as present and as natural and as valuable and meaningful as the present moment that people are living in, that the camera is recording in, or that we as the audience are taking it in when you're on stage. Because live theater is all about being in the moment. That's what makes it special. So I hope that helps. If you need more tips on how to stay in the moment, how do we actually do this? I teach acting online one-on-one via Zoom. We do the repetition exercise for a few sessions so that you can really understand what does it mean to train your instincts to be moment to moment and react in the moment. How do we do this in a way that actually is helpful and gets us better at being in the moment? So hit me up, actorslab@anytownpictures.com. We can do a free consultation. I can talk to you more about all this stuff, answer any questions you have. I hope this helped. Follow for more acting tips like this one.